Public speech आप बैठिए पहले. Public speech he was telling, and the Election Commission of India has acted in terms of the dictation of the Bharatiya Janata Party leader. It is the same to Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, that his CISF have entered into the house.
आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य, माननीय सदस्य, हमें चुनाव आयोग जैसी संस्थाओं पर निष्पक्षता का सवाल नहीं उठाएंगे तो ठीक रहेगा.
To accommodate whom? To accommodate whom? Of course I will speak.
स्पर्श मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल अब दे रहा है फुल टाइम विशेषज्ञों की देखरेख में सर्वश्रेष्ठ NICU एवं PICU की सुविधा, यानी नवजात एवं बच्चों की गंभीर बीमारियों का इलाज अब आपके अपने शहर में, साथ ही न्यूनतम दर पर हेल्थ पैकेज की सुविधा. स्पर्श मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, एक एहसास अपनेपन का.
श्री कल्याण बनर्जी जी.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, the Honorable Speaker, for giving me the opportunity to deliver this speech on President's address. Sir, the Honorable President of India read her speech, which was drafted by the Union Government, led by Mr. Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister. In the President's address, role of the Election Commission of India has been praised. What she could have been done, excepting praising. We are having a great respect for the Election Commission of India, all constitutional bodies. The standard of conducting the election in a fair manner was really taken by, seriously was taken by Sri T.N. Seshan, he was the election commissioner. From the very outer side, one may come into the conclusion that yes, this time also fair election has been done. Repeatedly during the election, all we, including our leader, the Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, raised so many questions about the role of the Election Commission of India. Now the question is whether the Election Commission of India has conducted election in 2024 impartially. In our state, Election Commission of India had acted on the basis of the desire of the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. A good number of police officers, right from DG to OC, were transferred because of the desire of the BJP leaders. And not only that, before effecting such transfers, the leader of the opposition of the state assembly in a public speech was used to say, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred, these officers will be transferred. You know, open. Please. Now, वही था. Public speech आप बैठिए पहले. Public speech he was telling, and the Election Commission of India has acted in terms of the dictation of the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders. Election Commission of India, every stage, every time, Election Commission of India has intervened, interfered with the election process. Not a single one has been fed. But when we lost the complaint against the BJP candidates and the BJP leaders, no step was taken. No step was taken. In a marginal win, 10,000 seats, 7,000 seats, 8,000 seats, 8,000 votes, they have won because of the blessings of the Election Commission of India. Otherwise, you would not have seen even the 12% from the Bharatiya Janata Party from the West Bengal. What the CISF has done, sir? CISF, they were threatening the voters, go and cast votes in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Do you know in the fifth phase of election, that is on the date of my election and Sajda Ahmad's election, do you know, previous night, CISF
entered into the house, molested, yes, molested 2 women. One is at Ulubedia and one is at, yes, and one is at my constituency, Jangipara. My constituency, Jangipara. It is the same to Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, that his CISF have entered into the house.
माननीय एक मिनट
अरे सुनो भाई,
एक मिनट।
2 CISF officers were arrested.
माननीय सदस्य, आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य हैं
सर,
अपन को एक
क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? बोलना होगा। 2 CISF officers were arrested. 2 CISF officers were arrested. Now, sir, just to why the 7th phase election? Why? We have objected to that. Why the 7th phase election? Election was conducted for 3 months. To accommodate whom? Of course, I will speak.
एक मिनट माननीय सदस्य, एक मिनट माननीय सदस्यगण, एक मिनट नहीं, एक मिनट। आप वरिष्ठ सदस्य, माननीय सदस्य, हमें चुनाव आयोग जैसी संस्थाओं पर निष्पक्षता का सवाल नहीं उठाएंगे तो ठीक रहेगा।
खुश है तो फिर खुशी मना ले, छोटा बड़ा केक मंगा ले, संगम में मिलता है बढ़िया केक, संगम में मिलता है बढ़िया केक। तीरंदाज